May pera. Ang tanong, how long or how short can you reach to a point of sustained profitability? We are all here because we are part of a business. And every business has a goal. Ano ba ang goal ng isang business? To earn profit. Jody, alam ka namang may tayo ka ng negosyo kung saan bago pang kawang gawa. Hindi. Yung kawang gawa, usually sa kalagitnaan sa gulo na yan ng pag-angat ng business. Ang first and foremost talaga na goal ng isang negosyo ay kumita. Hindi lang bumenta, kumita. Ngayon, ang daming projects, ang daming bumibili, at tanong kumita ba? Now, most of us are blind. Hindi natin alam yan kasi syempre, there are information na need to know basis. Okay? And I need you to realize na ang profit is computed when there's more money coming in and then lesser going out. Paano yung profits? Right? Pero kapag baliktad na yan, mas marami yung lumalabas kaysa pumapasok, limitado na ang profit. And there are so many elements for a business to profit. At first, napakasimple. Kailangan lang makahanap tayo ng customers na willing magbayad sa produkto at servisyo natin. It's really that simple at first. So, when we join the company, actually, somehow, nakagawa ng sistema yan ang paggawa ng pera. May pera. Ang tanong, how long or how short can you reach to a point of sustained profitability? Kasi, Sir Jesse, kailangan sustain. Sir Brian, kailangan sustain. Gusto mo talaga ng sustained profitability, there should be predictability. Kaya nansinin nyo, sa mga businesses, meron talagang element of uniformity. May uniform, naman, sa operations, may systems, may process na sinusunod, at dapat sundin yan. Why? We want predictability. And that's also related to our brand management, both for the company and of course, us representing the company. So I'm not saying na maging pare-pareho para kayo robot. Iba, mas malalim. Ang gusto natin is internal values alignment with the values of the company. Can you imagine that? Ang tanong, are you aligned? And the answer is almost always a big question mark. Oh, there are how many of you here? 14? 14? You're the heads. Pero yung mga tao dyan, sanga na yung ugali dyan. So what do we value? How can we align? As to first start with a decision. And the decision will always start if there is clarity. Dapat klaro-klaro tayo, sino ba ako? Saan ba ako papunta? Paano ako makarating doon? How do I now align?